Hello once again, welcome to Learn with Hassan, and today I'm here to teach you how you can hide your last scene on Telegram. Yes, hiding your last scene on Telegram. So it's a simple, straightforward settings. Let's open our account here. You go for menu at the left, upper left corner there, and you go for settings. You go for privacy and security. Then you go for last seen and online. You tap on it. Last seen and online. It says that who can see my last seen time. So here mine is set to everybody. It means that everyone is able to see it. You can set it to my contact to allow only your contact, the contact list you are having. It's those people who will be able to see your last scene and then your online status or something like that. Apart from the numbers you are having as your contact, no one is able to see. And when you go to the second one, which is nobody, it means that you are not allowing anyone to see. You have restricted your last scene and then the online from everyone, every user on Telegram. And we have exceptions, additional settings at the bottom down there. When you tap on it, it will send you to all your contacts and it will allow you to select some of the people you want them to see your online or your last scene. So if you don't want anyone to see, just leave it like that. After you've done every setting that suits you, you tap on the strike button and you tap on the tick button at the upper right corner there, and your settings will take effect. So this is the simplest way of hiding your last scene from people or users on Telegram. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, share the video to as well, please, for us to grow. Also, please, when you have any comment, whatever question that you have, you can leave it at the comment section below. I'll do justice to it. Thanks for watching our video. Until we meet again, bye bye.